What is web development? Web development is the ability to create a website for your laptop, tablet, or a phone. So typically we create one website that looks and acts well on all of these devices in the exact same code base. And this is called responsive web design. So whenever you hear the term responsive web design, it really just means the website looks good on a desktop, on a laptop, on a TV, on a phone, things like that. Now we write code, typically in English, but not always, that tells programs what to do. And there's a certain way to write code, and it's a little bit different for each programming language. And those differences, those little style tweaks, like if we use curly braces or semicolons, things like that, that's called programming syntax. And so it's really just the how do we write it. It's like writing apostrophes in English, apostrophes, periods, question marks, things like that. That's sort of English syntax. And in programming, we have sort of the same thing, but it's not quite the same as like writing a paragraph. Now, websites are made up of four main components. The first one is HTML. This is your bone structure of your web page. Every single site uses HTML. CSS, that's cascading style sheets. That's the part that makes your website look beautiful and full of color and have nice images and things like that. And then there's JavaScript, and this is the third component. And JavaScript is the interactivity that happens when you click a button or you type in a box and something else happens. Some sort of event happens. So whenever you click on something or you type somewhere and you can see things moving around, that's JavaScript. Lastly, we have a server-side component, and this is the hidden code that executes on a server when your browser loads a website. For example, you could use Python or PHP or Node.js.